23, 2:27. Ingon ang 23, for a husband is head of the wife, as also Christ is the head of the church, he himself being the Savior of the body. Busa, ang tawhanon nga kaminyoon, it is a shadow of the marriage to come. Nga mabasa nato sa Revelation chapter 19 verse 7 through 9. Magpakita nga ang tawhanon nato nga kaminyoon, ingon ani mga higala, mga igsuon, hulagway ni siya sa kaminyoon both ni Christ o sa church. 24. But as the church is subject to Christ, so also let the wives be subject to their husband in everything. 25. Husband, love your wives, even as Christ also loved the church, and give himself up for her. 26. That he might sanctify her,